Many people chase crowded business ideas because they believe those industries are safer. The reality is that some of the biggest opportunities exist in markets with fewer competitors and growing demand. In this video, we are sharing 12 low-competition businesses that could make you rich. Business Idea 1: AI Workflow Consulting for Small Businesses. Artificial intelligence tools are becoming essential for companies, but many business owners still do not know how to use them effectively. This creates a strong opportunity for AI workflow consulting. The business involves helping companies automate repetitive tasks, organize customer communication, improve marketing processes, and save time using modern software tools. You can start by learning several popular AI platforms and offering simple packages to local businesses, online stores, agencies, or service companies. Initial costs are relatively low, ranging from approximately $1,000 to $3,000 for training, software subscriptions, and marketing. Businesses are actively searching for ways to reduce expenses and increase productivity, which keeps demand very high. Competition remains moderate because many consultants focus only on technology rather than practical implementation. As businesses continue adopting automation solutions worldwide, this industry could become one of the fastest-growing service sectors over the next several years. Business Idea 2: Digital Asset Licensing Business. A digital asset licensing business involves creating or acquiring digital products and allowing other businesses to use them for a fee. Examples include templates, illustrations, icons, business presentations, educational materials, audio files, and design elements. Companies constantly need ready-made resources that save time and improve efficiency. You can create assets yourself or hire freelancers to build collections that customers can purchase repeatedly. Startup costs typically range from $2,000 to $5,000, depending on production quality and marketing efforts. Platforms for selling digital products already exist, making global distribution easier than ever before. Demand continues growing because businesses increasingly rely on digital content for advertising, training, websites, and social media. Competition is still lower than traditional e-commerce because many entrepreneurs focus on physical products instead of intellectual property. Once established, this business can generate recurring income with relatively low operating expenses. Business Idea 3: Sustainable Packaging Supply Company. Many businesses are searching for environmentally friendly packaging alternatives as regulations and consumer expectations continue evolving. A sustainable packaging business provides biodegradable containers, recyclable shipping materials, compostable bags, and eco-friendly branding supplies. You do not necessarily need your own factory because suppliers can manufacture products while you focus on branding, distribution, and customer relationships. Startup expenses usually range from $5,000 to $15,000, depending on inventory levels. Restaurants, e-commerce stores, cosmetic brands, and subscription box companies represent strong customer segments. Global demand is increasing rapidly because consumers prefer businesses that demonstrate environmental responsibility. Competition remains lower compared with traditional packaging industries because sustainable solutions are still developing in many regions. Companies are willing to pay premium prices for products that improve their brand image and help them meet environmental standards, making this a promising opportunity for long-term growth. Business Idea 4: Virtual Event Production Agency. Although physical events remain popular, virtual conferences, workshops, and online training sessions continue expanding around the world. A virtual event production agency helps companies organize professional digital experiences using streaming platforms, presentations, branding elements, technical support, and audience engagement strategies. Many organizations lack the expertise needed to create polished online events, creating an opportunity for specialists. Startup costs are generally between $2,000 and $6,000 for equipment, software subscriptions, and marketing campaigns. Potential clients include corporations, coaches, educators, nonprofits, and professional associations. Demand remains strong because virtual events reduce travel expenses and allow businesses to reach international audiences. Competition is still relatively low compared with traditional event planning because specialized digital expertise is required. Businesses increasingly value convenience and global accessibility, making virtual event production a service with significant growth potential. Business Idea 5: Micromanufacturing for specialty products. Micromanufacturing focuses on producing small batches of highly specialized items rather than competing with mass-market factories. Examples include custom office accessories, niche fitness equipment, eco-friendly household products, educational kits, or premium pet supplies. Advances in manufacturing technology make it easier for small entrepreneurs to enter this industry without investing millions of dollars. Startup costs often range from $10,000 to $30,000, depending on equipment requirements and product complexity. Entrepreneurs can begin with limited production runs and expand gradually as demand increases. Consumers increasingly seek unique products that are difficult to find in large retail stores. Competition remains manageable because many businesses prefer importing generic products instead of developing specialized offerings. Demand for customized and premium goods continues rising worldwide, creating opportunities for manufacturers willing to serve smaller but highly profitable markets. Business Idea 6: Remote Property Management Services. Remote property management is becoming increasingly attractive as investors purchase rental properties in different cities and countries. This business involves handling tenant communication, maintenance coordination, rent collection, booking management, and administrative tasks entirely online. Vacation rentals, short-term rentals, and residential investment properties all require professional oversight. You can begin by partnering with local contractors and using property management software to streamline operations. Startup costs are relatively affordable, usually ranging from $3,000 to $7,000 for software subscriptions, marketing, website development, and legal setup. Demand is growing rapidly because more investors want passive income without dealing with daily responsibilities. Competition remains lower than traditional real estate businesses because many property owners still prefer local managers. However, technology now allows entrepreneurs to serve clients globally, making this an excellent opportunity for individuals seeking a scalable service business with recurring monthly revenue. Business Idea 7: Business Data Visualization Studio. Companies collect massive amounts of information every day, but many owners struggle to understand what their numbers actually mean. A business data visualization studio transforms complex spreadsheets and reports into clear dashboards, charts, and visual presentations that help organizations make better decisions. Small businesses, agencies, online stores, consultants, and corporate teams can all benefit from these services. You can learn dashboard software, reporting platforms, and analytics tools before offering customized solutions to clients. Startup expenses generally range between $1,500 and $4,000, mainly covering software subscriptions, training, branding, and advertising. Demand continues increasing because businesses rely heavily on data-driven strategies. Competition remains relatively low because many professionals understand data analysis but lack design and communication skills. Organizations are willing to pay premium fees for insights that improve efficiency, increase profits, and support smarter decision-making processes. Business Idea 8: Specialized Online Education Business. Online education is highly competitive, but specialized knowledge markets remain underserved. Instead of teaching broad subjects, entrepreneurs can focus on narrow topics that solve specific problems. Examples include finance for restaurant owners, marketing for local dentists, productivity systems for freelancers, or technology training for seniors. This business can be launched through video courses, memberships, workshops, and digital resources. Startup costs usually range from $2,000 to $6,000 for recording equipment, editing software, website development, and promotional campaigns. Demand remains extremely strong because people prefer practical education that delivers measurable results. Competition is often lower when targeting specific industries or professional groups rather than general audiences. Businesses and individuals increasingly invest in skills that help them earn more money or improve operations. As online learning continues expanding globally, niche educational businesses could become highly profitable opportunities in next 10 to 20 years. Business Idea 9: Subscription Box for Niche Communities. Subscription businesses remain popular because they provide predictable monthly income and encourage long-term customer relationships. Instead of competing with large mainstream brands, entrepreneurs can serve highly specific communities. Examples include boxes designed for remote workers, coffee enthusiasts, gardeners, pet owners, artists, gamers, or entrepreneurs. Customers appreciate receiving carefully selected products that align with their interests and hobbies. Startup expenses generally range from $5,000 to $12,000, depending on inventory purchases, packaging materials, shipping arrangements, and marketing efforts. Demand remains healthy because consumers enjoy convenience and personalized experiences. Competition is significantly lower within niche communities compared with broad subscription markets. Building a loyal audience through social media and content marketing can accelerate growth. With strong branding and quality products, a niche subscription box business has the potential to generate stable recurring revenue while expanding internationally. Business Idea 10: Corporate Sustainability Advisory Service. Businesses around the world are under increasing pressure to improve environmental practices and demonstrate social responsibility. A corporate sustainability advisory service helps companies reduce waste, improve energy efficiency, adopt environmentally friendly policies, and meet industry standards. Small and medium-sized businesses often lack internal expertise in this area, creating an opportunity for consultants who can guide them through the process. Startup costs are relatively low, typically ranging from $2,000 to $8,000 for certifications, training, software, and marketing activities. Demand is growing rapidly as customers, investors, and governments place greater emphasis on sustainability initiatives. Competition remains moderate because many traditional consulting firms focus on finance, operations, or marketing instead of environmental improvements. Businesses are increasingly willing to invest in sustainability because it strengthens brand reputation, attracts customers, and creates long-term cost savings, making this a promising business opportunity for next decades. Business Idea 11: Digital Reputation Management Agency. Businesses today depend heavily on online reviews, search results, and brand perception. A digital reputation management agency helps companies monitor customer feedback, improve online visibility, respond professionally to negative reviews, and strengthen their public image. Many local businesses, medical clinics, law firms, consultants, and e-commerce brands struggle with reputation issues but lack the expertise to manage them effectively. You can start by learning review management platforms, search optimization techniques, and customer communication strategies. Initial investment typically ranges from $2,000 to $6,000 for software subscriptions, website creation, marketing, and training. Demand is increasing because consumers often research businesses online before making purchasing decisions. Competition remains relatively low compared with traditional digital marketing services because reputation management requires specialized knowledge and ongoing monitoring. As trust becomes a major factor in buying behavior, this business offers strong recurring revenue opportunities and long-term client relationships. Business Idea 12: B2B Lead Generation Service. Many companies have excellent products and services but struggle to find qualified customers consistently. A B2B lead generation business focuses on helping organizations identify potential clients, build prospect lists, conduct outreach campaigns, and schedule meetings for sales teams. Clients are willing to pay well because acquiring customers directly impacts revenue growth. You can specialize in industries such as software, healthcare, construction, manufacturing, or consulting. Startup costs generally range from $1,000 to $4,000 for lead generation tools, email platforms, website development, and advertising. Demand remains very high because businesses constantly seek new opportunities to expand. Competition is lower than broader marketing services because many agencies concentrate on social media rather than measurable sales outcomes. Companies appreciate providers who deliver actual prospects instead of vanity metrics. With strong systems and repeatable processes, this business can scale rapidly and serve clients from multiple countries. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching.